Research has shown that paper folding training has a significant positive impact on the behavioral intervention of children with autism. However, due to the global shortage of rehabilitation resources, some families of children with autism opt for home intervention. Because parents lacking professional training in special education, they encounter numerous problems when attempting home intervention, including children unable to focus on paper folding training and parents unable to provide scientific guidance. Therefore, we attempt to utilize augmented reality, create a game application, provides engaging paper folding tutorials and real-time feedback. Different icons represent different levels of difficulty. Cute Intelligent Agent Fofo. Gamified process to inspire paper folding motivation. Real-time parental observation and guidance. Two important design points of Foldiverse are interactive AR digital life and smart voice assistant. This interactive experience gives children a sense of achievement and motivation, fostering a long-term positive training process. With these help, parents can smoothly accompany their children in training without needing professional knowledge.
Welcome to Foldiverse. I'm your friend Fofo. Click on the left first. Let's start. Let's start with the one in the center. Please take out a piece of yellow paper first. You can look down at the desktop, and I have a piece of paper just like yours ready to go. Let's get on with it. You're awesome. You can surely accomplish this step easily. Now take out another piece of blue paper. The green paper will be more challenging this time. Are you ready? Now, take the yellow and blue paper we finished earlier. Follow Fofo and put the 3 pieces of paper together. You've created such a lovely bird. Ah, it looks like it's coming to life. Click the button to see what's going on.